Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change language in Meta Ads Manager. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To change the language in Meta Ads Manager, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Facebook app. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you're inside your menu, scroll down until you find the option that says Settings and Privacy. Then inside Settings and Privacy, you'll find an option that says App Language. Simply tap on that, and then once you're inside here, select the desired language that you want changed, and then simply head over back to the Facebook, and the selected language will be applied to the Facebook and Meta Ads Manager automatically. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.